Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the battery level and powering the headphones off. This prevents short circuits while you work. Next, you inspect the right ear cup closely for debris, loose screws, or a misaligned cushion. These are common causes. Once done, you remove the cushion edge gently with a fingertip to expose the screw. Make sure to keep screws in a small dish. Doing this first lets you access internal panels safely and quickly, and it sets up the repair flow. You now remove the 3/4 exposed screws and lift the back panel slowly. Don't yank anything because ribbon cables are fragile. Once open, identify the speaker connector and the ribbon cable to the right driver. Disconnect and then firmly reseat them so contacts align. This often restores sound. If you see loose soldered joints at the driver pads, gently press them or note them for reflow. While doing this, keep the parts organized. Neatness avoids accidents. You should test the right channel before sealing everything. Power on and play a familiar track while the panel is still loose, so you can wiggle connectors if needed. Once sound is confirmed, reassemble in reverse order, making sure screws are snug but not over-tightened to avoid stripping. If you still have no right audio, try a known good source cable or external amp to rule out Bluetooth or source issues. If the issue persists, a cold solder reflow on the driver pad is the next step, preferably by a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.